Hi, I'm Ryan. In this setup, your Unitel Voice phone number will forward incoming calls onto your main greeting. After your main greeting plays, it'll then direct callers to the appropriate employee extension or group of employee extension based on your needs. We'll get this done in 3 simple steps. The first thing we'll do is build out an employee extension for yourself and every member of your team. Then we'll add those employee extensions to a department extension. And finally, we'll record and upload your main greeting. Let's do it. Okay, so employee extensions are the users of our phone system, so it's important we create one for every user. We want to start by logging into the phone system and navigating over to extensions. Now by default, your phone system plays a main greeting, welcoming callers, and directing them to press 0 to reach you. Then Department Extension 0 forwards the callers on to Employee Extension 700, which rings your mobile app. The first thing we'll want to do is customize your employee extension. Just adjust your personal details and name and email address if needed. And then under services, you'll be able to control the main forwarding functions of the extension. Toggling on the mobile app will allow you to connect the mobile app to the extension. Forwarding controls traditional call forwarding to other extensions and phone numbers. And then you can also turn voicemail on and off here if needed. We'll assume you're using the mobile app here to make and receive calls, so we're going to leave it as it is. Then to scroll down to the app settings, and on the left, you'll see that you have an outbound caller ID and ring time setting. We recommend setting that to 15 seconds. And then also you have your app login credentials. Now, when you download the app from the Apple Store or Google Play Store, you can use this QR code to automatically sync it with your extension. And now let's go ahead and customize our voicemail. Here, I'd like to record a custom voicemail greeting, and you can use your computer's mic or upload a file you've recorded. Our recording tool works great, but if you'd like a little bit more editing control, I recommend using an app like Voice Memos for iPhones or Voice Recorder app for Android, and then send the file to yourself and just upload it here. Below, we'll leave an email notification set to copy and enter an email address you'd like the emails to forward to, and then just adjust your time zone if needed and hit save. Now that you've created an employee extension for yourself, we can create one for every team member. Let's go ahead and invite the user to the employee extension. Just create a new extension and adjust the personal details with their name and email address. Then set the permission level. They could be an admin with billing access, or you can even give them access to specific extensions if needed. And if you leave them as they are, then they'll just have access to the settings for this extension. Go ahead and save the extension. Now edit, and under the login information, select Invite Extension, and this will send an email to the user. Simply repeat this process for every member of your team. Now that we have all of our employee extensions created, let's add them to Department Extension 0. Here you're going to find Department Extension 0 forwarding on to Employee Extension 700, and we want to add the rest of the team. So let's select Edit and scroll down to the forwarding settings. Then we can click Edit on the extension 700, and you're going to see some additional settings that we can adjust. We recommend setting the ring time to 15 seconds. Now you also have the option to set a custom schedule per extension here if you'd like. And then we also recommend leaving call announcements set as unannounced. It's really only for specific use cases. Let's go ahead and add the rest of the team. Select Add a forwarding number, and then add the name, and under Department select the next employee extension. Now you're going to want to adjust the ring time as well, and then you want to repeat this process until all of our team members have been added to the department extension. Notice that you also have the option to control how the department extension forwards calls to each member on your team. You can have them in order or shuffled, and then you can also reorder the list here. Now let's go ahead and customize the voicemail. Here I'd like to record a custom voicemail greeting. Below we'll leave the email notification set to copy, and then we'll enter an email address we'd like emails to be forwarded onto. Then just adjust your time zone if needed and hit save. Let's wrap this up with a custom main greeting. Head over to Settings and then Greetings. Here you can manage your main greeting. You'll see that the system's playing a default greeting, and we want to add a custom greeting that's pretty similar to the default. We'll want to thank them for calling our business, and then tell them to press 0 to reach the next available team member. Pressing 0 will send them straight through without waiting for a response from the call menu. Below our main greeting, you have the option to replay the main greeting or forward the call directly onto an extension of our choice, and we'll want to forward the call to Department Extension 0. When it comes to adding our custom main greeting, we have 2 options. We can record or upload a greeting ourselves, or you can head to our Voice Talent Studio and have a voice recording done by one of our voice talents of your choice. While you're there, you can order a professional recording for the main greeting or your department voicemails, or even your after-hours greeting if you'd like. Then just save your changes, and that's it. Thank you for choosing Unitel Voice, and feel free to chat our AI support agent in the right-hand corner or chat with our live support team or give us a call anytime during our business hours.